Are you a person like me who spends hours checking out videos of cars on social media, listening to loud exhaust notes and checking out JDM beauties? You know, the Supra, the Mazda RX-7, the Subaru, the GT-R. Are you one of those people who get a mischievous grin while watching gorgeous modified cars, luxury supercars, and the god level hypercars? Are you one of those people who run to get their headphones and increase the volume when listening to what I call is pure automotive art? By just listening to the exhaust notes, flybys, you get this urgent sense of horsepower which rushes through your body. Your heartbeat starts increasing. You start to sweat. You feel a sense of purpose, a milestone, a goal that you want to achieve in this beautiful life that you have received. So, after a lot of hard work, you buy your first car. Buying your first car is always a special feeling. It doesn't matter if it is second hand or new, it will always remain the special one for you. Now you want to live all those wild childhood dreams. You want your special car to look different from the crowd, to feel different, to sound different, to look different, something exciting, something that gives many people wet dreams. So you consider, why not get it a bit modified and have it look a little bit better, a little bit different than rest of the crowd? What can go wrong? It's my car and I have paid every penny for it. I can modify it as per my wish. Cause the boys from Kerala seem to be doing a pretty amazing job. You have seen all these posts on social media from modified Honda Civics to lifted Isuzus. What can go wrong? Well, hold up. Before you take it straight away to modify into something that you always wanted, here are some things that you must know before you get your car modified in India. The Supreme Court of India on January 2019 put forth a rule that no motor vehicle in the country can be modified or altered in such a way which makes the data about the original car different from the modified version of the car. In simple languages, you cannot play with the structural features of the car in any manner. Any changes to the car's chassis or engine have also been termed illegal. So going above and beyond with your imagination and portraying it on your car can now land you in some serious trouble. Any modification that deviates from the manufacturer's original specifications is not legal. Number 1. Width of the tires. This is a no-brainer that bigger tires do look good on your vehicle, but increasing the width of the tire to an extent where it protrudes the body of the car is illegal. Number 2. Loudness of the horn. Changing the sound and loudness of the horn is a trend nowadays, but the government has declared that to reduce the noise pollution caused by car horns, the horn cannot be louder than 100 decibels. Number 3. Width of the alloys. Different alloys can give different looks to your tires, but modifying your alloys where the lip of the alloy protrudes the tire edge has been banned by the government. Number 4. Width and length of the vehicle. Well, everyone wants a limo or an SUV, but not everyone can afford it. So people go on and hinder with the length of their cars to make it look like a limo or a SUV. Number 5. Modification of your engine to a higher capacity. Interchanging your engine with a better one does give you better horsepower and efficiency, but changing the engine to other than the manufacturer's specifications is banned too. Number 6. Tinting the windows. As per the Supreme Court of India, car window tinting is prohibited. The use of window tint of any visual light transmission is termed illegal. Tinted windows straight from the car manufacturer is allowed with certain conditions applied. Number 7. Free flow exhaust. Free-flowing aftermarket exhaust have also been termed illegal by the Supreme Court because it deviates from the original exhaust provided by the manufacturer. What about vinyl wrapping? There is a big confusion on vinyl wrapping, whether it is legal or not legal in India. The fact remains that vinyl wrap, if it does not change the color or texture of the vehicle as it is mentioned in the registration certificate issued by the company, then there is no point in terming it as something illegal. In conclusion, the Supreme Court and the Government of India came up with these rules and regulations after thorough research and suggestions. Modification of a vehicle is precisely a hard work, and it involves some skill, but only when done properly and safely. There is no denying the fact that car modification and accessories industry is growing rapidly in India. This move will surely benefit the companies and organizations which follow the specified protocol in modifying a car. Well, that is the bad news, folks. You can no longer modify your cars just when you thought all your dreams were gonna come true. Well, Xpeng has some good news. Now, there are a lot of modifications which are not legal in India, cause yeah, and we as car guys cannot modify our rides like we want to, and it is sad. It is really sad. The good news is there are some simple and tasteful modifications which can be done to your vehicle from one car enthusiast to another one. In the next video, I will tell you exactly which modifications are those. And I'm not talking about those stupid modifications like you can install a CNG kit or you can change the color of the vehicle. I'm not talking about those stupid modifications. I'm talking about real modifications which can be done to your vehicle. So watch this space for part 2 of this video.